Today I'm going to show you a spacious apartment with a 1% monthly payment plan, and yes, the price is super affordable. This project offers studio 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, and most of the apartments have private pools. You will enjoy world-class amenities like a rooftop infinity pool, gym, spa, kids play area and barbecue area, and a beautiful lake inside the community. It's truly a resort style lifestyle. The payment plan is very flexible, just 15% down payment and then 1% monthly, including 3 years post handover. Now about the location. It's in Dubai Production City, a fully developed and strategic area. You are just 15 minutes away from Marina and JBR, 20 minutes to downtown Dubai and Dubai Mall, and 20 minutes to both Dubai International and Maktoum Airport. Everything you need is close by: city center, hospitals, schools, cafes and restaurants. We are currently taking expression of interest, so if you want to know more about the prices, sizes and floor plans, just get in touch with me today.